Hi everyone, welcome to Learning Math with VK. Today we explore lesson 7 in algebra, system of linear equations and applications. 1. System of linear equations. A system of linear equations in two variables is the set of two linear equations. Similar to an equation, a system may or may not have a solution. Let's take a look at a few examples on decimals. Okay, first example, we have a system 2x minus y equal 4. X minus 2y equal -1. Notice that these two lines, they intersect at 3, 2. The intersection is the common point and thus a solution to the system. X equal 3, y equal 2. Second system, 2x minus 3y equal 4. 2x minus 3y equal -8. Oh, these lines, they are parallel to each other. There is no intersection, thus there is no solution. One more example. X plus 2y equal -4 minus 2x minus 4y equal 8. Oh, they're the same line because you can multiply 2 to the first, -2 to the first equation to get the second equation. Okay? And because they're the same line, they have infinitely many intersections and thus infinitely many solutions. Okay, this is just what I went over. Let's take a look at how we can solve system of linear equation using algebra. One method is that we can get solution using substitution. And this method is very useful when we can quickly isolate either variable on one side of the equation. No fraction in doing that. Well, if we look at these two equations here, in the second equation, definitely we can isolate y by -2x on both sides, so y is 7 minus 2x. And thus we can quickly sub it into the first equation. So first equation is the 3x minus 2y equal -7. I'm going to do the sub here. 3x minus 2, 7 minus 2x, that is y equal -7. Now we have a linear equation in terms of x, which we can solve. 3x distribute -2, we get -2 times 7 is -14. -2 minus 2 is plus 4x equal -7. Combine like term, we have 7x minus 14 equal -7. And then we can add 14 on both sides. So 7x is, add 14 is 7. Divide both sides by x and divide both sides by 7. X is 1. Pretty cool, huh? Now, to get y, all we need to do is sub x to be 1. Y equals 7 minus 2 times 1. So y equals 5. There's another way that we can solve for system of equation, and that is by using elimination. Elimination is useful for all linear equations. It will also help us to solve linear system of more than 2 variables efficiently An example is 2x minus 3y equals 7 minus 3x plus 4y equals negative 10. Notice that we cannot isolate x or y on one side of the equation quickly. So the best way to do this is elimination method. To do the elimination method, first we eliminate x. Okay. Here come our system. To eliminate x, we can multiply the first equation by the coefficient of x in the second equation, negative 3. And we multiply the second equation by the negative of the coefficient of x in the first equation, negative 2. The reason why we need negative 2 is because, well, when we add them up, they're going to cancel each other out. Negative 6 plus 6, 0. Distribute negative 3, so negative 6x plus 9y equal negative 21. 6x minus 8y equal 20. Add them up. And we get rid of the term with x. Y equal negative 1. So we got y equal negative 1. Pretty fast, huh? Similarly, we can eliminate y to solve for x. Using the same trick, we're going to multiply this first equation by the coefficient of y in the second equation, 4. And then multiply the second equation by the negative of the coefficient of y in the first equation, 3. Distribute 4, ax minus 12y equal 28. Distribute 3, negative 9x plus 12y equal minus 30. Add them up. Get rid of the y. Negative x equal minus 2. Divide both sides by negative 1. X equal 2. Slick, huh? Okay, let's move on to system of equation, the applications. We have many applications in real life. Let's take a look at a few of them. An application in finance. A couple has $60,000 to invest and they want to diversify the investment into 2 accounts. The first account is the I-bond, which offer 9.62% annual interest rate guaranteed by the US government. The second account is Tesla stock, which have a 10-year average annual return rate of 65.40%. Is it possible for them to earn $20,000 in 1 year from the investment? If so, how much should they invest into each account? Let's see if they invest everything into Tesla stock. So that is Tesla stock. Well, invest everything. That would be a 65.4% of 60,000. Percentage is divide by 100. So when we divide by 100, we get 0.54. Multiply to 60,000, and that gives us 39,240. Let's take a look at the I-bond. I-bond, the return is 9.62%. Invest 60,000 in it. So this would be 0.096 multiplied by 60,000. and that gives us 5,772. Well, they can just invest into Tesla and get good money. The thing is that stock can go up and down. So by the time they withdraw their money, it might not be this exact amount. Best way to do investment is diversify the investment. Okay, now we're going to take a look at how they're going to diversify the investment to get 20,000 a year. It is possible for them to get 20,000 a year though, because 20,000 is between these two numbers. So they should be able to get that much money in 1 year. First, let X to be investment in I bond. Y to be investment in Tesla stock. Well, we know that the total investment is X plus Y. That is 30,000. And then we also know the total return that they want to get. Return for I bond investment, 9.62% X. Return for Tesla stock, 65.40% Y, and that would get them 20,000. Okay. Well, this is the system of linear equations. We can solve the system using best method is elimination. I'm going to multiply the second equation by 100 to get rid of the percentage. If we do that, we're going to get 9.62 X plus 65.4 Y equal 2 million. Now we want to get rid of X, right? Multiply the first equation by negative 9.62. And that would get us negative 9.62X minus 9.62Y equal negative 577. 200. Now add them up. Get rid of the X. We have 55.78 Y equal 1,422,800. Divide both sides by 55.78 and Y is equal to 25,507.35. So now to get X, notice that X plus Y is 30,000. So that means, well, we can quickly get X there. X, we know Y is 25,507.35. Do the substitution, and we know that X is 34,492.65. Pretty cool, huh? One more application in chemistry. A student working in a chemistry lab is tasked to mix a 5% acid solution bottle to a 20% acid solution bottle to create 9 liters of 15% acid solution. How would the student proceed? Sketch out. Here comes 5% acid. We don't know the amount, so let it be X. And we're going to add to a 20% acid. We have no idea what the amount is, so it's going to be Y. to get a mixture of 15% acid, and we know the exact mixture, 9 liters. Similarly, we have two equations. One of them is in the total amount, x plus y equal 9, and then the second equation is mixture. X contains 5% acid, so 5% X plus 20% Y. The mixture has 15% of 9. Get rid of the percentage by multiply to 100. 5x plus 20y is 135. Well, now we can multiply the first equation by -5. And we get -5x minus 5y equal -45. Add them up. We get 15y is 90. Divide both sides by 15y is 6. We know that x plus y equal 9. So x equal 9 minus y, or we can just sub in y to be 6 a little faster. And from here, x equal to 3. The solution tells the student to mix 3 liters of 5% acid to 6 liters of 20% acid to get 9 liters of 15% acid solution. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the content useful. Please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. See you in the next video.